I spent probably an hour and a half today cleaning this refrigerator that we bought off a marketplace, and we're pretty sure it doesn't even work now. Like, it was running when we bought it, and I get it, like, it's used. It's definitely older. It's a crappier brand, I'm not gonna lie. But I paid 200 bucks for it, and it was in town. So, you know, we didn't have to go far to get it. And it worked when they were there, and then they unplugged it, and it's been sitting here, I don't even know, maybe a month, almost. And yeah, it's not working at all. So I don't know. So Ryan got the whole shower put together. I'll show you here. He got the rainfall shower head in and all of this. He did a great job. But we are thinking that there's not enough water pressure for it to fully have a nice rainfall, because there's some areas on the whole head where there isn't even water coming out. So that's a 12-inch shower head. I mean, that's big, let's be honest. 12-inch shower head. We have all the plumbing ready for the vanity and the toilet over here. And we're gonna do some shelving, but that is definitely a finishing touch. I have painting to do, and we have to take all these these fixtures down, get those down, and it's ready for sheetrock, but I think I'm gonna paint ceilings this week. Well, I would say the siding is probably 98% done. The whole front is finished, and it's just on the sides. I can walk over here and look at it. So it's right there up at the peak. That's where they stopped for today. And Cole's just gonna take care of that himself. Get those angles cut and get that put up. But beyond that up there, that's it for the siding. It is all finished. How cool is that? Also super random. Monday, tomorrow is our first trash day. It's the little things.
Should have last week. Okay, last week. Yeah. It's gonna be freaking messy getting this out of here. Oh, we got it.
I came over today to look and see what the paint looks like that Mom and I did last night, and it looks so good. I mean, it was super dark when we were over here. I mean, we have lights, but it was hard to see where we painted, so there's definitely some spots we missed, but we knew we'd have to do 2 coats probably. So this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Nice bright white. So she tested out this here, because this was like the worst spot in the whole house, and it looks like it'd take a couple coats, but I think it would cover it. And tried a couple spots there, but the ceiling looks so good. We gotta replace all that still, you know, but wow, it looks so good. So we'll come down here and look at these rooms. Wow, it's just crazy how much it changes. So bright and white. See, those walls are supposed to be white. Crazy. I love it. I love to see it. This hallway, Mom got it done, and then this bedroom. Oh, I just ran into the toilet out here. Yeah, you can see some spots there where we missed. And we tested out some spots by the window It's hard to see because this thing won't focus very well, but wow. We really thought we were gonna have to clean the walls, but I think this paint will do the trick. So when I keep talking about the paint I'm using, this is the primer that I found on Google would work best for everything. It covers, I mean, it says on the can at least, porous surfaces, tan and bleed, glossy surfaces, exterior graffiti, like it does it all. So that's why I picked this one out. Cover Stain, Zinsser Primer, Stain Blocker, Bond Coat. It'll stick to any surface without sanding and it dries quickly. And I think, I mean, I'm pretty sure, it says on the can right there, you can use any top coat on it, even though it's oil-based. So like, I don't know much about paint, but I think it'll be good for whatever we put on top, if we do, because I really didn't want to, like I mentioned before, like buy a bunch of paint for this whole house when I wanted it to be white anyway, and this is white. Yeah, if you need a heavy duty primer, that's the way to go. Good stuff. It's covering all of the nasty stuff on the walls, which I don't know. It's getting to the point that I don't want to clean the walls, and where it covered that well in 2 super short, small coats, I may just get to it and just start painting and priming and hoping for the best. But as far as the smell goes, like the paint, yeah, no, I was wearing an N95 and I still was like, wow, I need some fresh air. I need to step outside. And we had the windows open and fans on. So it's definitely potent stuff. But hey, if it works, right? It's getting cloudy again, so I'm getting chilly. I should really invest in one of those super cheap zip-up jackets because this is getting old. So the sun comes out and then I'm hot.